Can there be a class construct? I'm not sure I understand that question.
I assume he meant constructor.
Oh, yes, there can be. I was about to get into that. Okay, so we have this stuff, but classes really are more important in C# than really anything else. And so as a result, there's a lot of features we can use in classes. One of the features is, let's say we want to disallow altering our names after a person has been instantiated. So we can simply say, turn these guys into automatic properties with a private setter. As a result, lines 24 and 25 become invalid because you cannot assign to a property that has a private setter. But what we can do is we can create a constructor that will replace the default constructor and add in the two parameters that are required in order for this object to be considered legal. So now our code, instead of being this, becomes simply that.